Oh shit. I had three 100 amp hour marine RV batteries. I just replaced them. And this one weighs the same amount as one of those batteries, but 330 amp hours of lithium. I'm just gonna dust everything off before I put everything back together. But I'll show you the batteries. These are the three batteries I just took out of here. Had them stacked. Wasn't a terrible job. I had to cut out the floor a little more so this fits snugly because we don't want this moving around at all. And then I had to drill into the frame member so I can get this ratchet lower, because before the battery was stacked up to here and I had it from here down to there. But this works out. Put the wood here to protect the plastic casing of the battery. And I'm really happy everything's working again. Got the fridge working. So super stoked. I'm gonna take it to Sedona this weekend first and dust everything off. It's been a while since I did this. So I'm totally getting this thing cleaned up. What I had to do today, because this before was all one single piece. This is foam. This is rigid foam board, by the way, and it's really strong. But I anchored this platform bed to all this, and I knew in the future when I install those original batteries that I was going to have to make it where I can access the battery compartment easily. And that's what I did. I basically just cut it here and here with a multi-tool. So when I put that back, it'll be uniform again. I just need to get some kind of transition strip, but I really don't care because next time I'm going to be painting all this stuff kind of like a what do you call it, a Swiss coffee. And it's gonna be a nice upgrade because 330 amp hours should last quite some time with the fridge, the fan, the lights in here. Looks like I can close this up now. Excellent. I just need to drive a screw into here, a longer screw there, and I can put this cover back wherever I put it. With this one, this is a compartment that I keep all this stuff in, like emergency roadside stuff. And then this becomes part of the bed because we have memory foam that goes over this. So there's the same thing on this other end. But we're cleaning this all up before we put the mattress back in. Same with the window treatments. We got reflectix that goes here, but we're gonna glue a tapestry with a design on it. Like this one says, next great adventure. This one says good vibes only. Kind of like that. But yeah, it's coming along. Can't wait to paint this because this just looks ugly to me and so outdated. I think a Swiss coffee just will look really nice. And fixing this up, painting it, doing something with this. But for now, I don't care. This is good enough. This will work for our trip now. Oh, here's the cover for this. Boom. See, it's that strong. I'm sitting on it, and it's all good. This is the other recent upgrade I did, was putting in this sink. Pretty sure, I think there's still some water in here. Let's see. Yep. The way this works, I just have it draining out the bottom. We put a bucket there to collect it. This is what it looks like. You know, it's pretty rigged, but it works. That's all I care about right now. I'm not out here trying to impress people. We're just trying to use this and have fun with it. This is a toy. This is going to take us on an amazing adventure. It's hot today, and I didn't know if we were going to get this working or not before we take off to Sedona, but we did, so I'm excited. I still have the battery up front to deal with. I'll show you why. It's old. All these batteries are old. Tried charging it up, but it's not working. So yeah, we're gonna get that taken care of and head out.